Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. Biting the bullet, facing a difficult or unpleasant situation. The idiom, biting the bullet, originated from the practice of having soldiers bite on a lead bullet during surgery to endure pain before anesthesia was available. In a broader sense, the expression means facing a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and resilience. It refers to bravely confronting challenges, enduring hardship, or going through a tough experience despite the discomfort or pain involved. In everyday usage, people use this idiom to describe summoning the strength to tackle challenging circumstances or making a difficult decision with determination. Here are the usages of the idiom, biting the bullet, in various contexts. Job interview. Biting the bullet often becomes necessary in professional settings, such as job interviews. This idiom is aptly used to describe summoning the courage to confront challenging situations, like facing a panel of interviewers. Despite the inherent nervousness, individuals bite the bullet by mustering confidence and presenting themselves effectively. Health and fitness. In the context of health and fitness, biting the bullet implies making tough choices for personal well-being. For instance, starting a new fitness routine after a period of neglecting exercise requires determination and effort. Embracing the challenges associated with a healthier lifestyle is a perfect example of biting the bullet. Relationships. Within the realm of relationships, there are times when individuals need to bite the bullet to address issues honestly. This may involve difficult conversations about differences or misunderstandings. The idiom encapsulates the idea of facing such uncomfortable situations head-on for the sake of relationship growth and understanding. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, bite the bullet. Despite the complexity of the project, Sarah is determined to bite the bullet and lead her team through the demanding task. Recognizing the need for clarity, Mark decided to bite the bullet and initiate a conversation with his colleague about their ongoing disagreements. Though the prospect of daily workouts seemed daunting, Emily resolved to bite the bullet and prioritize her health by joining a fitness program. Realizing the importance of saving money, Lisa chose to bite the bullet and create a budget to manage her expenses more effectively. Faced with a challenging exam, Tim had to bite the bullet and start studying early to ensure success. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, bite the bullet, is used in it. Mark's triumph, biting the bullet at work. As the clock ticked away, Mark found himself in a challenging situation at work. A major project deadline was fast approaching, and unforeseen obstacles kept popping up. Despite the mounting pressure, Mark knew he had to bite the bullet and address the issues head-on. Taking a deep breath, he gathered his team for an emergency meeting. Mark openly acknowledged the challenges they were facing and encouraged everyone to share their concerns. It was time to bite the bullet and confront the project's difficulties collectively. With a united front, the team began brainstorming solutions and allocating tasks. Mark, as the leader, led by example, showing his commitment to biting the bullet and tackling each issue with determination. The collective effort paid off, and the team successfully navigated through the obstacles, meeting the project deadline with a sense of accomplishment. In the end, Mark realized that sometimes you need to bite the bullet in order to overcome challenges, and by doing so, you not only address immediate issues but also pave the way for future success. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What does the idiom, biting the bullet, mean? A. Avoiding a difficult situation. B. Facing a challenging or painful circumstance bravely. C. Taking a bite of a literal bullet. D. Refusing to accept reality. 2. Choose the correct situation where you might use the idiom, biting the bullet. A. Enjoying a leisurely vacation. B. Completing an easy crossword puzzle. C. Cooking a delicious meal at home. D. Dealing with a tough work project. 3. In which sentence is biting the bullet used correctly? A. She decided to bite the bullet and confront her fears. B. I'm so happy, I just bit the bullet. C. He bit the bullet, and now he regrets it. D. Let's all bite the bullet and celebrate. 4. Which of the following situations would not require someone to bite the bullet? A. Facing a difficult conversation. B. Going through a tough workout session. C. Taking a relaxing vacation. D. Tackling a challenging work assignment. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.